Hi students, good morning to all. Exercise 9.4 question number 10. Evaluate limit x approaches 0 sine of a plus x minus sine a minus x divided by x. Here replace x equal to 0 into the function, that is sine a plus 0 minus sine a minus 0 divided by 0. A plus 0 is sine a minus a minus 0 is sine a. Sine a minus sine a is 0. Denominator also 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. So simplify to the given function using trigonometry formula. That is, we know that sine a plus b. Okay, a plus b. Similarly to the same process, small a plus x. Small a plus x, which is equal to sine a into cos x plus cos a into sin x, and sin a minus x means a minus x, which is equal to sin a into cos x minus cos a into sin x. Subtraction means change to the sign, change to the sign. Simplify. In left hand side we have sin a plus x minus sin a minus x, which is equal to plus minus or cancel. Plus means 2 times of cos a into sin x. Using this result into the given function, that is limit x approaches 0 sine of a plus x minus sine of a minus x divided by x, which is equal to limit x approaches 0 2 times of cos of a into sine x divided by x. Grouping the function sin x divided by x. 2 into cos a is the constant function. So 2 into cos a into limit x approaches 0 sin x divided by x. We know that the result 9.1, that is limit theta approaches 0 sin theta divided by theta, which is equal to 1. Using this result into here, that is 2 into cos of a into 1. Then the resultant is 2 into cos a. Okay. Next, exercise 9.4 question number 12. Evaluate limit x approaches 0 2 into arc sin x divided by 3x. First of all, we know that arc sin x means arc sin x, which is equal to sin inverse of x. Okay, which is equal to sin inverse of x. That is inverse trigonometrical functions. So using this result into the given function, that is limit x approaches 0 2 into arc sin x divided by 3x, which is equal to limit x approaches 0 2 into sin inverse of x divided by 3x. Grouping the function sin inverse x divided by x. 3 is constant, 2 by 3 is also a constant. Okay, so apply to the limit into constant function, we get the same result. So 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3 into limit x approaches 0 sin inverse of x divided by x. We know that the result, that is limit x approaches 0 sin inverse of x divided by x, which is equal to 1. Using this result into here, that is 2 divided by 3 into 1, which is equal to 2 divided by 3. Okay. Next question number 13. Evaluate limit x approaches 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x square. Replace x equal to 0 into the given function 1 minus cos 0 divided by 0. Cos 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Denominator also have 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Okay. Here we know that some result limit theta approaches 0 sin theta divided by theta which is equal to 1. Now another one, limit theta approaches 0 1 minus cos theta divided by theta which is equal to 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. In trigonometry inverse function, that is limit x approaches 0 sin inverse x divided by x which is equal to 1. Limit x approaches 0 tan inverse x divided by x which is equal to 1. Listen, 1 minus cos theta divided by theta means 1 minus cos x divided by x means then the result is 0. But 1 minus cos x divided by x squared means, so in the numerator using trigonometry formula we can change into these any one of these structure. Okay, in the trigonometry formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 sin square theta. Okay, 2 sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos x means similarly to the same process 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta divided by 2. Okay, 2 sin square theta divided by 2. Similarly to the same process 1 minus cos x which is equal to 2 into sin square x divided by 2. Using this formula into the given function, that is solution given limit x approaches 0 1 minus cos x divided by x square which is equal to limit x approaches 0 1 minus cos x is, which can be written as 2 into sin square x divided by 2 divided by x square. Okay, x square divided by x square. Numerator have 2 times of sin square x by 2. 2 goes to denominator. In the structure is limit x approaches 0 sin square x divided by 2 divided by x square divided by 2. Okay, x square divided by 2. In the numerator, sin squared x by 2 means x square divided by 2 square. Okay, but denominator x square divided by 2 square is correct. But here x square divided by 2 is wrong. Cannot use this structure. Cannot use this structure. So multiple and divided by 2 in the denominator. Multiple 2 and divided by 2 in denominator. We can easily change to similar structure. That is limit x approaches 0. Here grouping the function of denominator, that is sin square x divided by 2 divided by x divided by 2 whole square. Okay, x divided by 2 whole square. Then the remaining constant is 2. Okay, then the remaining constant is 2. That is 2 times of, okay, 1 divided by 2 into sin square of x by 2 divided by x by 2 the whole square. Using this formula, apply to the limit, that is 1 by 2 into limit x approaches 0 sin square x divided by 2 divided by x by 2 whole square. Then the resultant is 1. That is 1 by 2 into 1 which is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay. Next question number 15. Evaluate limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 3 power x divided by x. Here replace x equal to 0 into the function, that is 2 power 0 minus 3 power 0 divided by 0. 2 power 0, anything power 0 is 1, minus anything power 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Denominator also have 0, that is 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Okay, 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate form. So change to the structure, that is we know that limit x approaches 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to log a. Okay, which is equal to log a. Here a greater than 0. Okay, here a greater than 0. Here 2 power x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, so add 1 and subtract 1 into numerator, that is the given function limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 3 power x divided by x, which is equal to limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 1 minus 3 power x plus 1 divided by x. Here add and subtract 1 in numerator doesn't change the function. Okay, here grouping the function, that is limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 1. Okay, here comparing of to these function, two terms, take outside minus 1 into 3 power x minus 1 divided by x. Here have the function have two terms split into the terms, that is limit x approaches 0, 2 power x minus 1 divided by x minus limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by x. Using this result, limit x approaches 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to log a. Similarly to the same procedure, that is log 2. Okay, log of 2 minus here log 3, which can be written as log of 2 divided by 3. Okay, log of 2 divided by 3. Okay.